Hey guys, ECRG here, back with another video. Today we're talking about ensuring your promotion. Hey guys, ECRG here, back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about ensuring your promotion. Now, a lot of you guys want to get promoted. A lot of you guys want to move on to the next level. And today we're going to talk about a few things, some that are in your control, some things that are not in your control, to make sure that you get promoted. So first things first, your manager. Your manager has a lot to do with your promotion or not promotion. So because we look at these things through the lens of clinical research, I'm going to be using some clinical research terms, but these are generic terms. So I think that a lot of people should be able to kind of get with the way the scheme works. So, and I'll do my best to explain it along the way. So if you have an entry-level role, we're going to talk project management here. You have an entry-level project coordinator or something, and some people's manager is just a project coordinator, but who has been there a year before you. Now, they are fresh off of the entry-level position. They may be a level 2 or something, or a level 3. Now, is this person going to be as good at getting you promoted to the next level as someone who's a project manager? So another few levels above, or even a project director who's even a few levels above the manager? And the answer is no, because the project coordinator is not going to be as experienced as the project manager or the project director. And they are going to be less likely to kind of throw their weight around in other people, because they're only second from the bottom. The only person below them is you. But the project manager has a lot more respect and, a lot more respect with their title, and can kind of throw their weight around a little bit for you. When someone gets messaged by a project manager, their ears perk up. And even more so when the project director emails you or messages you. You better be on your tippy toes when that happens. So you want to make sure, and it's not really up to you, but the people that have managers that are of higher levels versus managers that are of lower levels have a huge advantage here, because not only because of the knowledge that they can impart on you versus them being able to pull strings on your behalf and get you the necessary experience, you get put on the necessary projects that you need to get put on in order to get your promotion. So you need to make sure that your manager, you need to determine if your manager is good or is not good and is going to fight for you. And, there's some pretty good low-level managers out there that want to do their best, but compared to the experience and everything else that comes with being a project manager or a project director, there's just no match. So hopefully you have the opportunity that your manager is someone who has some respect and some dignity, and hopefully some history with the company. And that's definitely going to help you get promoted faster than not. So you definitely want to make sure that your manager is key there. And I guess one of the other things I wanted to talk about with that is, if your manager is not, let's say their manager is basically 1 year removed from you, similar role, not much more, respect and heft behind their name and position, you're really going to have to shoulder the burden on yourself. So, and this is true whether your manager is bad, whether your manager has, is low level or not. You need to shoulder the burden, and ultimately your promotion is up to you. But it just makes it that much harder if your manager is lower. So you need to make sure that if you have a low level manager, that you know what is needed to get promoted. You need to make sure that you know exactly what is needed to get promoted, and you need to fight for it every week, every month, every day that you're on the job. You need to document what you've done in order to get promoted. You need to make sure that you have them saved in your email or wherever you keep them, in a file, in a folder, on your computer. All the good things people say about you, you need to make sure that you have documented, maybe even some of the bad things people have said about you and how you fix them. So you need to basically have all this documented